Hello guys, you're watching DroidCrunch and I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor add additional add-ons in your Elementor builder. If you're using Elementor Pro, you may not find multiple add-ons or widgets such as timeline, such as creative links, creative headings, dual buttons, hotspots, off-canvas menu. There are tons of widgets that are not available in Elementor Pro. So most of the users use add-ons, and there are multiple add-ons in the market. There are essential add-ons, there are ultimate add-ons, there are dynamic content for Elementor. There are lots of add-ons. There are happy add-ons, master add-ons, live mesh. So many users tend to use these add-ons, and some are compelled to use them because of data tables they provide. There are tons of widgets that are essential for making their websites. So we are talking about ultimate add-ons and how this add-ons is different from other add-ons, and why should you go and buy this add-on. So what are the extra features of this add-on? We will talk about them as well, and we'll see how you can use them. First of all, let's open the dashboard or website of Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. That is enough to explore what they have, as their widgets are self-explanatory. When you click on their widgets, you can find all of their widgets, which are very well categorized. There are content widgets, there are creativity widgets, then there are creative features, then form styler widgets, SEO widgets, and WooCommerce widgets. Content widgets are basically the widgets that help you display content in a very well styled manner. So content widgets include advanced heading, business arts, content toggle, Google Maps, image gallery, info box, that's my favorite, and model pop-up, post, price list table, video and video gallery. And creative widgets, you can find some fancy widgets that include before after slider, countdown timer, dual color heading. These all widgets are not available in Elementor or Elementor Pro. So these are quite exciting widgets as well. I will show you why later in this video. So let's see. There is a creative features widget like cross-site copy paste. You may find this widget in almost all the add-ons for Elementor. And here's a part for backgrounds. You can also find this add-on in many add-ons. And here's a form style widgets. In normal Pro, Elementor Pro, you can not actually design forms created with WP forms, scalar forms, and all that. So you can style your forms with these add-ons. With this add-on, you can style the forms in a very impressive way. And here's some SEO widgets that are including business reviews, how-to schema, FAQ schema, table of contents. It will help you in your SEO as well, apart from displaying the content that they tend to. And here's some WooCommerce widgets that help you create your WooCommerce pages, loops, and all. Right? So if you want to check out any widget and how it looks, you just need to click on any of them. Like advanced heading, I click, you will find a complete page containing these widgets, and you can see in action how it looks on the front end. So you can see that it looks quite impressive, and it is modifying the page in a very well manner. So you can see that. And here's a model pop-up widget. You can see all the pop-ups. You can design the pop-ups, you can change the content and add all that in the back end of Elementor very easily, right? And in all the widgets pages, you can also find a walkthrough video that will show you how to use that widget. If you get any issues, you can check out the help center. It also has video tutorial section, support, and knowledge base documentation. So you will not need to any hassle for not using any widget. You can also go to your widgets and check out any of the widget that you want to see the demo of. So it's quite awesome. Here, let me show you some exciting widgets like dual color heading. This is one of my favorite widgets. This shows dual buttons and dual color headings like this. Looks very exciting. If you are creating landing pages, this will grab the attention of new users and it may turn into quite good customers and conversions. This looks very good and it is quite very easy to use on the pages. You just need to drag and drop the widget, change the stylings, and it will show like this. And here's some starter templates as well on Ultimate Addons for Elementor. You can check out all these templates like this. You can quickly import these templates and create landing pages in just a matter of seconds. All the templates are categorized and you can use any of them if you have a paid plan. And here's also section blocks. Unlike starter template, section blocks are just sections that you can use in your pages, and there are many sections that you can use very easily. And talking about the pricing of Ultimate Addons for Elementor, it's quite very impressive. You can get Ultimate Addons for as low as $55, and you can use this on unlimited number of websites. That's quite impressive. You get approx 50 plus of Elementor widgets, 65 plus of free starter templates, and many section blocks. You get all the exciting widgets and extensions as well. If you go with Essential bundle, you get Ultimate Addons for Elementor and premium starter templates, which are 80 plus. You also get Extra Pro, which you are not getting in this version, or say in this plan. You can also get product updates and all the features that you were getting in this version. And you can also go with growth bundle, and these are all yearly based. So if you want to go with the lifetime plan, then you can toggle this to find the lifetime. And with the growth bundle, you get Convert Pro, Schema Pro, Skill Chat Academy membership, and all that Ultimate Addons offers. And you can also go with lifetime to avoid subscription based pricing, and you can get the software for lifetime and use on as many websites as you want. So I will leave the link in the description, so you get this plugin right away. You may get some discount, so it's also running discount as of now, so if you purchase you will definitely get discount. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this, and don't miss to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video that we upload. Till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.